so much to our honorable moderator to give us a chance to describe about our PowerPoint. Today, we have selected a name to our group that collective innovation. That means we have chosen it because we think our team will bring new innovation and change the world. So we named it. First of all, I will introduce you to the topic, learn multiple language and become a global citizenship. Today, we are three who will represent this. First of all, I am the first member and my name is Comotk from Collector School and College, Gazipur in class 9. Then the second leader and the team leader of our team.
My name is Tawhid and I am from Gazipur Cantonment Board High School in class 9.
And the third speaker of our team.
I'm Rohan. I read in Gazipur Cantonment Board High School in grade 9.
Okay, so now let's start. First of all, we have divided it into three key parts. First of all, what does global citizenship and multilingualism refers to? And the second one is how can multilingualism make us global citizenship? And the number 3 is why should we learn multiple languages? The first two key points will describe and elaborated by the second speaker and the team leader Tawhid, and the third one will describe and elaborated by the team leader third speaker Rohan. So now I will hand over my presentation part to Tawhid. Please.
Thank you, Tomni. Thank you, Tomni, for giving me a chance to tell something about my presentation part. Now I will firstly start by describing about some key terms which are crucial to better understand the topic that we have selected today. These 3 points are global citizenship, global citizen, and multilingualism. First of all, I'd like to discuss what global citizenship is. Global citizenship is the idea that you should show loyalty and support for the world as a whole. As much as loyalty and support you should show for the country in which you live in. And in the same way, we can say that a global citizen is a person who shows loyalty and support for the world as a whole, as much as loyalty and support he shows for the country in which he lives in. Now we'll discuss multilingualism. According to Wikipedia, multilingualism is the ability to use multiple languages and able to speak or write in multiple languages. Now I'll move on to the second part where I will discuss how multilingualism can make us global citizens. First of all, it depends on cultural understanding. We can better understand other cultures and better enrich ourselves and get acquainted with people from different cultures with the help of multilingualism. Enhancing communication and collaboration. If we are to learn multiple languages, we can better communicate with people who are not from our culture or from other cultures. Third of all, promoting inclusivity and diversity. Inclusivity refers to a society where everyone is included or everyone is inclusive. In that way, we can reduce the level of racism and we can accelerate the race of globalization, which can help us to make into global citizens. Fourth of all, empowering personal and professional growth. With the help of multilingualism, we can get ourselves improving on personal and professional skills, which can help our memory and problem-solving skills. Now I would like to hand over my presentation part to our third speaker and final speaker for today, Rohan, to guide us through the last part.
Thank you, Tawhid. I am Rohan. Hello everyone. Today I am here to discuss the benefits of learning multiple languages, and I will also conclude our group presentation. So let's begin. The first point is improved travel experiences. When you know multiple languages, you can easily travel and your travel will be more enjoyable, and also you can communicate with locals more easily and you can share your experiences, making your travel and a more enjoyable. Second point is better career opportunities. If you know different languages, then the global companies are more likely to prefer you because they need to send their employees in different regions to work there. Third point is deeper cultural understanding. Learning multiple languages provides insight into different cultures, traditions, and also perspectives. It helps to build stronger relationships with people, especially from diverse backgrounds. Then, enhance brain functions. Learning multiple languages helps to improve your brain function, memory, problem-solving skills, and also multitasking abilities. Thus, it helps you to be in mental health. Then it also reduces the chances of some diseases such as Alzheimer's. So we have also learned that learning different languages